So I am Raj Mukherjee. I take care of a global CRM for Truecaller. The challenges that we face is because of a lot of changes in the macro environment always. Netcore helps streamline out a lot of problems for us. It's not company specific, it's in fact domain specific. With Netcore, I feel when it comes to particular problems, the Netcore leadership invests time and effort beforehand to answer some of the basic questions regarding those challenges. So by the time we actually go into the problem, maybe 30%, 40% of it is already solved. I think that's a great start or a head start that we get with Netcore. Similar to how we claim to be domain experts in our own field, when it comes to CRM and a few other things, Netcore is clearly a domain expert. So that's point number one. And point number two is the unique thing about Netcore is it's extremely receptive to the challenges of the customers. Whether that challenge can be fulfilled, attacked right away or not, Netcore is really receptive to it. So it gives a lot of confidence to the client, for example, us, to say that, okay, let's launch this project and see what can happen from here.
It's been many years, same in Truecaller only, I'm senior manager CRM. For me, like product stand quite good for Netcore and it's phenomenal. On top of it, what I feel like the customer support of the Netcore team is based in the industry. And whenever like we interact with the customer support team, like with any challenges, there is a solution to it. So, and that experience I'm getting from the day one. So that motivates me to be in touch with the Netcore. So Netcore, it's like almost 35 years in the industry. So it's quite evident that experience matters, and that experience somehow is giving leverage to the client, whatever challenges they're coming up. So most of the challenges somehow Netcore is solving, like in terms of deliverability, in terms of the impact of the process, and that creates interest. So even I always recommend Netcore as a product to be a system where things will be much stable and smooth.